With GameStop and AMC finally coming back to the real world, even though they did have a pump up today, what is the next sector WallStreetBets is looking to go into? We have the answer to that. Let's get into this. The answer seems to be the cannabis industry. This all comes to fruition after we've been finding out that the United Kingdom is making progress on legalizing cannabis throughout the United Kingdom, and Europe is slowly starting to adapt it as well. In addition to this, Joe Biden's current administration is looking to decriminalize cannabis on the federal level as well. This is leaving a whole slew of opportunities if you're looking to invest into the weed market. Now, with that being said, we have seen that WallStreetBets has got on this train, and we can see that certain cannabis stocks have been going up leading into this news. Just to name a few, we had Sundial Growers up 78% today, TLRY up 50% today, but has been growing exponentially in the last 3 months since the elections. We've had APHA up again 10% today, and they are looking to merge with TLRY. And with that being said, we have Aurora Cannabis up to $52, which has been rising throughout the last week or so, and that is up about 6% today. And we have Canopy Growth up about 6% today, and again, slowly going up since November. So what does this mean? We can see that WallStreetBets is most likely going to be heading for TLRY because it is an established Canadian weed producer, and we are going to see them going for Sundial because it is such a low-cost stock right now. But will this work like GME and AMC? Most likely not, and here's why. There is not the huge short squeeze potential that happened with GameStop and AMC. We are seeing stocks that aren't heavily shorted, that have a pretty positive future moving forward, depending on how their financials go here in the future. So we're going to have to see how many people are going to be left as a bag holder and how many people are going to end up getting burned after this pump happens. It has been happening slowly. We can see on their Reddit page that they've been having some really great capital gains, but we don't know exactly how long the fun is going to last with the weed stock. If you are looking to actually invest into the marijuana industry, YOLO is an ETF, which is actually really funny because that is a great name to be calling cannabis stocks. But if you would like to buy an ETF that has an averaged out holding in a bunch of different cannabis companies, YOLO, ticker symbol YOLO, is the place that you want to be if you're looking for a long-term hold into the cannabis industry. After doing a little bit more research, I wanted to get this information out to you guys a little bit. They are now tracking the names and tickers of the companies that you guys are suggesting in WallStreetBets if you're a part of that community. And this is helping hedge funds and other investors try to counteract what you guys are practically doing. And it's making it a little bit harder for you guys to be able to get the jump on people like you did with GameStop and AMC. So do be prepared. In addition to that, watch out. There is some infighting going on within the community right now. People do not really know what to go for. It's all spread out. It's not all focused and funneled in to GameStop, AMC, Dogecoin, etc., like it was before, and BlackBerry. So I just want to make sure you guys did have a good understanding of that. I don't want to see anybody really get burned. I know somebody will get burned eventually, but I'd like you guys to be kind of prepared. Make sure you do have a plan when you're going into these trades. Don't be extremely greedy. Take your profits as you can. Set a price target, set a stop loss so you don't end up holding the bag in the long term. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please remember to smash that like button, subscribe if you're new, and share with your friends and family. With that being said, have a great day.